Your hood hinges can begin to rust over time, and when they do, it becomes harder to open and close your hood for maintenance. If that happens to you, it's probably time to replace them. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1981 to 88 Monte Carlo hood hinges. These factory-matched hood hinges are correctly reproduced in premium heavy-duty steel and feature the correct built-in coiled springs to hold your hood in place. They're designed with the correct contours, mounting holes, and channels for authenticity to the original. At the end of the production line, every hinge is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as an EDP coating. The EDP coatings help protect your part from potential rust so that it'll be ready for painting upon arrival. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at OPGI.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.